Are you new to gardening and you are about to start your seeds and you're doing all your research, you're trying to figure out exactly what all you need to do to get your starts off to a great beginning? Well, if you are, I have a simple trick that is a no-brainer, but is a must if you want to have a good, strong, solid start. And that plug, when you go to take it out of the seed tray and transplant it, you want that plug to be good and tight. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to make sure you have a good, strong plug. You ready? Let's do this. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video because this is really simple, but this is one of those things that if you're not used to starting seeds, might not be second nature to you, like it wasn't for me when I first started. So what you need, seed trays. Now whether you're using these, a solo cup, styrofoam cup, whatever you're going to put your seeds in, make sure you have that. Seed starting mix that's already moist, ready to rock and roll. I always use a pencil of some kind. And then whatever you're going to grow. That's it. So let's start off right away by filling up the seed trays with a seed starting mix. Like I talked about in that last video, you don't need a potting soil at this stage. You need a good, solid seed starting mix. Okay, so let's fill up the seed tray, right? Now I'm going to show you all what I did when I first started versus what I do now. So these two are basically how I first started. Fill them up and keep rocking and rolling. These two will be the way that I do my seed trays now. Now, if you've already noticed the difference in what I'm doing, then good on you. Okay, we'll fill up the rest later. Right off the bat, if you notice when I was filling these up, these two I didn't really pack in very tight. These two I packed in very tight. And the reason for that is you want your seed plugs to be as tough and tight together as possible. So when you go to pop it out, you have a good solid seed plug, as opposed to one of these, which is just going to fall apart. Look at how loose that is. So what's the trick, Chad? Well, I know this is a no-brainer, y'all, but when I first started my plugs, all I did was fill them up about like that. I did not pack them in tight. And I've got way too much water in here, but that's okay. So again, you want them to, when you pop them out, they're good, solid, they're together. And then just imagine when you have the plant growing up, you got the roots going all through it, also helping keep this nice and tight. As opposed to this one, that's just kind of put in there, not really packed in, and look, it's just falling apart. Now, since we're doing this and these two are where I want them, I'm going to go ahead and plant 2 seeds right now. So what I like to do is take a pencil, go about 1/4 of an inch deep, right in the center. I'm doing, these are super hot peppers right here, these kind. I grew these last year, they did really well. Like that right there. Okay. You see right down in there, the seeds are in. Now we're just gonna come back, pack them in nice and tight. And then we're gonna go get this on the heat mat under the grow lights, and they're ready to rock and roll. But I'm gonna do this for the rest of them and be done with at least these guys already starting for my 2025 seeds. Okay, I wanted to finish the video outside because, to be honest, I hate filming gardening videos inside. It drives me nuts. It is cold right now. Can't really be out here doing this outside where I would like to be, but that's all right, right? It's gardening. But what I wanted to do is just show a really simple trick. Now, I know this isn't technically a trick, but it's something I didn't do when I first started planting starts inside, and I had a horrible time every time I went to take a plug out to up pot or to transplant. The plug would fall apart. And I had someone tell me, hey, pack those plugs in good and tight, make the soil tight. and they'll stay together. And you know what, y'all? It works. So I wanted to pass that on to everyone. I know this is a no-brainer, like for seasoned gardeners, you're like, duh. But not everyone is a seasoned gardener, y'all. Some of us are brand new. And if you're brand new and you enjoyed this video, do me the 3 favors. Share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. If you are looking for a beginner gardener channel here on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload videos, y'all, and join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners. Everyone take care, God bless. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard. Spring's around the corner. I hope you're getting all your seeds ready to rock and roll, especially if you're in the South. I will talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.